Welcome back to the laboratory. Tonight, your skin is calling for peace. It is stressed, irritated, inflamed. We are going to quiet the noise, step by step. Deep within the pore, a blockage has formed. Trapped lipids, excess sebum, creating a pocket of pressure. Your body sees this as a crisis, sending heat and redness to the surface. Listen to the tension. The bacteria begin to multiply in the dark. It is a natural process, but it triggers an immune response. The skin becomes a battlefield of inflammation. It feels hot. It feels tight. But we are here to de-escalate. We introduce our first active countermeasure, salicylic acid, a beta-hydroxy acid. Unlike water, this molecule is oil-soluble. It can cut through the sebum, diving deep into the center of the storm. Watch as the molecules penetrate. They act like tiny keys, unlocking the trapped oil, dissolving the debris, and sweeping the pore clean from the inside out. The pressure begins to drop. Now we cool the heat. We simulate the essence of ice. Cryotherapy at a molecular level. Vasoconstriction begins, narrowing the blood vessels, drawing the angry redness away from the surface. To soothe the irritated tissue, we layer Centella Asiatica, Cica, an ancient botanical healer. It speaks directly to the skin's defense system, commanding the redness to fade and the swelling to subside. We apply a barrier of calm, thick, cool, absorbent. Niacinamide joins the layer, stabilizing the skin barrier and regulating future oil production. It is building a wall of peace. Feel the shift. The cellular panic is over. The immune system stands down. The heat dissipates, replaced by a deep, numbing coolness. Breathe in the relief. Every drop of this formulation is tailored for distress. We do not scrub. We do not force. We simply change the environment of the pore until the blemish can no longer exist. To seal the healing, we apply an invisible shield, a hydrocolloid matrix. It acts as a second skin, pulling out the remaining impurities while keeping external bacteria locked out. Under the patch, the vacuum effect begins. It gently draws out the last remnants of the blemish without breaking the skin. No scars, no marks, just pure, sterile recovery. Now the tissue knits back together. Zinc and peptides arrive to rebuild the broken cellular walls. They construct new foundations, ensuring the skin heals flat, smooth, and even. The inflammation is gone. The bacteria is neutralized. The pore has returned to its normal, microscopic size. The storm has cleared, leaving only calm waters. Run your mind over the surface. The bump is gone. The irritation is a memory. The texture is returning to a state of absolute smoothness. Pure, flat, restored. Our targeted intervention is complete, but the molecular prevention continues. The active layers remain active, policing the sebum, keeping the pathways clear while you rest. This is your new defense network. Resilient, clean. The pores are open, breathing, and completely at peace. No congestion, only clarity. Take a deep breath. Let the cooling sensation sink deep into your jaw, your brow, your cheeks. Stress is the ally of acne. Tonight, we banish both. The laboratory is closing. The treatment is sealed. Your cells know exactly what to do. Trust the process. Trust the calm. Sleep now. Let your skin renew in the dark. Clear, calm, healed. Good night.